Hello my students, how are you today? Today we are going to complete our discussion about Unit 4, Read to Lead, Lesson 3. Let's learn some new vocabulary. The first word we have today is borrow. Borrow. For example, I can borrow good books at the library. I can borrow good books at the library. The next one is cover. 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 For example, this is the cover of my notebook. This is the cover of my notebook. Page. Page. This is page. The next word is page. For example, this is a blank page. This is a blank page. Honor. Honor. The next word is honor. He was honored by his teachers. He was honored by his teachers. Publish. Publish. For example, after he finishes the book, it will be published. After he finishes the book, it will be published. Published. The next word is humanitarian. Humanitarian. For example, they do humanitarian work. They do humanitarian work. The next word is chapter. 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 For example, this book contains 4 chapters. This book contains 4 chapters. The next word is index. Index. For example, look at the index to find the page quickly. Look at the index to find the page quickly. The next word is biography. Biography. For example, I enjoy reading the biography of famous people. I enjoy reading the biography of famous people. This is the time for listening our recorder, but before you listen, use QR code reader app to label each part of the book correctly. Let's see the answers. This is title, cover page, writer, book cover, and number 5, pages. Pages. Let's listen for the information in this following page. Listen to the recording and fill in the table with the correct letter.
Grade 5, Unit 4, Read to Lead, page 55. Listen to the recording and fill in the table with the correct letter. 1.
Here's a book for Dad. He likes to know about other countries.
2.
I don't like that book. It looks too scary.
3.
I love science. I'm going to buy this book.
4. This book is by my favourite writer, but it's not about modern times. 5.
Mum would like that book. She likes cooking.
6.
I like this book. I like learning about animals.
7.
I love stories, but this storybook is too easy.
8.
Buy this book. You can make a new dress.
After we listen to the recording, let's complete using would or wouldn't here. Number 1. What you like to do after college? What would you like to do after college? Number 2. Sarah said she wouldn't be late. Number 3. Would you like some coffee? Number 4. I would like to speak English fluently. Number 5. He wouldn't live abroad. He loves his own country. Number 6. You wouldn't watch this movie. You are still young. This is the time for speaking. Say which book you would or wouldn't choose and why. Storybook, science, sports, cooking, history. And the below there are the adjectives which describe these books. Scary, difficult, funny, useful, exciting, interesting, and easy. For example, Amal said, I would like a storybook. It's exciting. And I wouldn't like a scary book. It's too scary. Let's see the others. For example, I would like a storybook. It's too funny. I wouldn't like One Dark Night. It's too scary. This is the time for reading. This is the time for reading. Before you read, identify the names of the following former rulers of Kuwait. This is Sheikh Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah and oil pioneer, and this man is Sheikh Jabir Al-Ahmad Al-Sabah, Prince of Hearts, and those are famous persons in Kuwait. Let's watch this video. Don't forget to take notes. After we watched this video, read the article to answer the questions. To celebrate a UN honor to Kuwaiti's leader, KUNA published a book with the title His Highness Sheikh Sabah Al-Ahmad Al-Jaber Al-Sabah, a humanitarian leader. The cover of the book is very interesting. The cover of the book is very interesting. It has a big photo of Sheikh Sabah beside the book title. It also has pictures of His Highness's humanitarian work in other countries. The book has 115 pages and 4 chapters. The index page gives a list of chapters. Chapter 1 is about His Highness's biography. It tells Sheikh Sabah's life history. For example, you can read about His Highness's birth and early education on pages 34 and 35. The Amir was born in Al-Jahra, north of Kuwait City, in 1928. He is the 4th son of Kuwait's 10th ruler, Sheikh Ahmad Al-Jaber. His Highness studied at Al-Mubarakiyah School. His Highness the Amir has a bright career history. He worked as a foreign minister from 1963 to 2003. He was a prime minister from 2003 to 2006. He became the Amir of Kuwait on 24th January 2006. Now let's answer the questions. Here, which word means loving people? It's humanitarian. Which word means life story? It is biography. Which word means a part of a book? It is chapter. Showing respect and pride, it's honor. And to make a book available for all people, it is publish. Pre-reading question: why did KUNA publish the book A Humanitarian Leader? To celebrate a UN honor to Kuwaiti's leader. Here, read and complete. The of the book has a photo of Sheikh Sabah. The cover of the book has a photo of Sheikh Sabah. The book has pages and chapters. The book has 115 pages and 4 chapters. Sheikh Sabah became the Amir of Kuwait in 2006. Now open your workbook, page 29. Here, look at the following picture and choose the correct answer from A, B, C, and D. We have some pictures right here, and we are going to choose the correct answer. Number 1, the best title for this picture is Library Rulers. Library Rulers. Number 2, all of the sentences about this picture are not true, except we must eat and drink in the library. We must eat and drink in the library. Let's answer the following questions. Number 1, what should you do before holding a book? I think I should read the author's name and the book title. Number 2, why do we use a bookmark? To get information about the book. After that, circle the word that names the picture. Complete the word using F and BH and OUGH below and read it aloud. The first picture, fan, and the second one, BH, elephant, and the third one, OUGH, cough. Fan, elephant, cough. Thank you, my students, and I wish you all the best and see you in the next time. Thank you.